It is November 4th. I am in India, and as I log into ChatGPT, I get Try Go for free. Enjoy faster responses, higher file upload limits, and expanded image generation with a Go plan, all free for the next 12 months. So let us try Go. So you see here, free is rupees 0. Go is also rupees not 399, rupees 0 for 12 months. Let us say upgrade to Go. Getting your plan ready. So it is 0 ChatGPT Go subscription. It needs an UPI payment or a credit card. So in India you can have UPI. So let us use UPI. You fill the details. Once you enter all the information, you can hit subscribe. You will receive a payment notification on your mobile, and once you approve, your subscription is ready. Now it says you are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go. Let us ask it to analyze an image. Give details about this car. Okay, it recognized it is a Renault Duster. So subscribe to Go for free and enjoy more image uploads, more GPT-5 and more deep research. Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases, ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.